Bangladesh and India. Jamal Bhuiya, we have our...
Of course, I feel good about it. And I even feel more good about it because the welcome you have given Hamza has been tremendous. So, with Hamza coming into the team, Ami age shuru korchi. I think it gives a lot of inspiration to other footballers around the world to come to Bangladesh and play for the national team. Karon representing Bangladesh or your home country is the highest you can get being a footballer. Of course, you want to play the World Cup, but representing your home country is I think on the 25th when Hamza hear the national anthem, I think he's going to get goosebumps. Amar take chilo. I think Hamza will do the same.
এই ঈদে জামা জুতো অ্যাক্সেসরিজের ডিসকাউন্ট।
I think it's normal. Even if we play Pakistan, it will be the same because there is this rivalry between Bangladesh, India, Pakistan. Chop shop. And so this match is going to be a high voltage match. And I think it's going to be the biggest clash in this area of the region. So each of জিনিস is normal. Of course, আপনারা সবাই একটু খুশি আজকে কারণ হামজা আসছে। So এটা আমার জন্য ভালো লাগতেছে, অন্য প্লেয়ারের জন্য ভালো লাগতেছে। But we have to focus on the match. এত চ্যালেঞ্জিং হবে না কারণ যেখানে আমরা প্র্যাকটিস করছি ওই জায়গায় একটু ঠান্ডা ছিল। টাইফেড ওইখানে একটু ঠান্ডা ছিল আর শিলং যেখানে খেলা হবে ওইখানে সেম ওয়েদার। So I don't think there's going to be a big difference.